today is a adding rational problem, and our equation is going to be x plus 4 plus or over x minus 2 plus x plus 5 over x minus 1. That's going to equal to x squared plus 7x minus 2 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to factor the bottom. Excuse my broken nail. So the factors of 2 and 3, you have to get a negative times negative equals a positive, so you would multiply negative 2 times negative 1, and if you add those together, that will give you negative 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the factors under there, and that's going to be x2, or x minus 2 and x minus 1. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find our least common denominators. Your least common denominators are the denominators underneath the x right here. It's basically your denominators. So your least common denominator will be x minus 2 and x minus 1. And what you want to do is you want to plug them in before your actual equation. So let's get that started. Oh, excuse me. So it'll be x minus 2, and you want to try to fit it into the line, so write as small as possible, over x minus 2 plus x minus 2, and that is your least common denominator again, over x minus, or by x minus 1, then plus x 5 and x minus 1. And it's going to equal to you're going to equal it to your least common denominators as well. So it'll be x minus 2 and x minus 1. And it's going to equal to x squared plus 7x minus 2 over x squared, or not x squared, but x minus 2 and x minus 1. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cancel out our like terms, and all of these are going to cancel out what they're equal to, and this is what it looks like. So now you're going to bring down everything that's left, and that's going to be x minus 1, x plus 4 plus x minus 2 plus x plus 5 equals x squared plus 7x minus 2. So we're going to combine our like terms, and that's going to be, it's going to give us 2x squared plus 6x minus 14. And that's going to equal to your original equation, and if that was going to be x squared plus 7x minus 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our x's on one side of the equation, and we're going to do that by subtracting x squared from 2x squared, and that's going to give you x squared left. Then you're going to subtract 7x under the 6x, and that's going to give you x by itself. You can actually put 1, but you don't have to. It's just your opinion on how you understand things. And then you can add 2 to get 12, negative 12, because it's negative 14 plus 2. So it's going to give you 12, and that's going to equal to 0. After you have done that, you can find the factors of 12, and what will give you 12 is negative 4 and negative positive 3, because a negative and a positive equals a positive. And it'll be...
Oh, a negative and a positive equals a negative.
Exactly. And it's going to be x minus 4 and x minus 3, and that's going to equal to 0. Then what you want to do is you want to set both of those factors to 0, and that will be your correct answer, and then you would want to check it. But let's get this started. X will equal negative 4, and then x minus 3 equals 0 plus 3 on each side, then x equals positive 3. So now we're going to plug this back into our equation for our denominators. And if they equal to 0, then it's not a perfect solution. But if they do equal to a whole number, then it's going to be correct. So let's do the first one. It's going to be negative 3 minus 2 equals negative 5. And that doesn't equal to 0, so that can work. And let's try the next one. It's going to be negative 3 minus 1, and that's going to give you negative 4, and that's not 0, so that will work. Then you would want to do the next equation, and it'll be 4 minus 2 equals 2, and then 4 minus 1 equals 3. And neither of those are 0, so both of them can work. Now, here's the paper so you can see what it looks like. As you can see, it's a lot of work, but the work is worth it. You'll get your answer correct, and y'all have a great day.